So you're thinking about new windows. You're probably experiencing some difficulties with the windows you have in your home now. One of the big things that people often tell us is that they feel uncomfortable near their windows. It's cold, it's chilly.
You might have rot coming through.
For gentlemen, you know, when your windows are whistling at your wife, that's a good time to maybe look at replacing them.
Those are all great reasons to start thinking about why you should replace your windows, and you've come to the right place.
Well, one of the places to start is with a company that's locally owned and one with a history of integrity in the window business.
When I come to your house, you know, I'm bringing 20 years of window and door experience. I wasn't selling decks last week. And I will look at your space that you want to fill, and I'll have suggestions. You know, there's lots of different choices for styles of windows, colors, wood grains.
We've got 6 different levels of windows. We've got some of the best installers in the industry.
So new windows also offer a new level of security with double strength glass and 2 or 3 panes. It just tightens up the house, makes it feel more secure, and it is more secure.
So now's your opportunity to take a moment and call our office and set up an appointment to have us come out and take a look at your project, or take a moment and fill out a form right here on our website, and a representative will reach out to you today.